Alright guys, we got a single box break of 2016 Gala. I'll go over the teams. We got Malcolm with the Niners and the Bears, Lorenzo with the Bengals, Greg Kelly with the Bills, Jeff Rogers with the Broncos, Wes with the Browns, John Lewis with the Bucks, Taylor with the Cardinals, John Lewis with the Chargers, Taylor with the Chiefs and the Colts, Tristan with the Cowboys, Mike Hagan with the Dolphins, Tim Chesbro with the Eagles, Chris Chandler with the Falcons, Mike Lawrence with the Giants, Simon with the Jags, John Lewis with the Jets, Wes with the Lions, Lorenzo with the Packers, Mike Lawrence with the Panthers, John Lewis with the Patriots and the Raiders, Taylor with the Rams, Malcolm with the Ravens, Mike with the Redskins, Dan Miller with the Saints, Wes with the Seahawks, Kevin with the Steelers, George with the Texans and the Titans, and Malcolm with the Vikings. Good luck, everybody. Appreciate you guys joining, and good luck. Still waiting to see something crazy out of these boxes. Not a bad first card. Our first card is 14 out of 49. For the Tampa Bay Bucks, you got Jameis Winston's main attractions. And that's going out to John Lewis. 14 out of 49. Our next card is number 26 out of 99. For the Jets, you got Christian Hackenberg. And that's going out to John Lewis. You see a little ding corner here at the bottom. A little bad corner here. Going out to John Lewis out of 99. Next card is out of 99. 2 out of 99. Silver screen, Kenny Lawler. Going out to Wes. Out of 99. Then we have a redemption. 2016 Panini Gala Action Autographs, Jade. Card number 16. And that's Emmanuel Sanders. Going out to the Broncos, and that's Jeff Rogers. And the last card is our 12 out of 49 insert. It's going out to the Chicago Bears. It's Brian Urlacher. Alright guys, that's the break. I appreciate you guys joining. Here's Christian Hackenberg cinematic. And you got a relic of Jameis Winston for those who didn't see. Appreciate you guys joining. And I'll post this up on the 3rd as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.